Ever told yourself, I always fall off, or I'm just not consistent? That's not the truth. That's a limiting belief. And if you don't challenge it, it'll keep you stuck exactly where you are. Let me ask you this. When is the last time you told yourself something that actually helped you stay on track? Now compare that to how often you've told yourself, I can't do this. That belief isn't helping you. It's holding you back. Here's what most people don't realize. What you believe about yourself, that's what shapes your actions. If you believe that you can't stick with healthy habits, you'll prove yourself right. If you believe you always gain the weight back, you'll self-sabotage when things are going well. The truth is, a belief is just a thought you've repeated over and over. It's not a fact. And the good news is, you can change it. Step 1, spot the belief that's holding you back. What's the story you've been telling yourself? I'm not disciplined. I always quit. I'll never hit my goal. Catch it, call it out, because awareness is the first step. Step 2, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this always true? Where did this belief come from? What's one piece of evidence that proves otherwise? You've made progress before. You've stayed consistent in other areas. You can do hard things. That belief, it's just old programming, and it's time to update it. Step 3, replace it. Your beliefs are like a playlist running in the background, and some of us have been playing the same I always fail song for years. It's time to hit skip and choose a track that actually gets you moving forward. Swap it for a belief that supports your goals. I'm learning to be consistent. I show up for myself. I'm becoming someone who follows through. Say it, write it, live it. The more you act like it's true, the more your brain will believe it, and that changes everything. When I first started, I told myself, I always fall off. That belief shaped how I showed up, half-hearted, waiting to fail. The shift happened when I started saying, I'm the kind of person who keeps going. Even before I fully believed it, I acted like it. And over time, I proved it to myself. You don't have to keep living by old beliefs. You get to choose again, and every time you do, you create a new reality. Drop the belief you're done with and the new one you're choosing to live by. Let's make it real in the comments. Here's the takeaway. Your beliefs are not facts. You're not stuck. You're just operating on an old story, and it's time to write a new one. If you're ready to break through, drop this in the comments. I choose a new story. Let's lock it in and let's own the shift. Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. And on that note, you have a great day. Bye.